Today I'm going to show you how to replace ink cartridges in a Canon Pixma MG2950. Now we need to get down nice and low so we can see this hatch just above the paper tray on the front of the printer. Now first thing we need to do, slide this paper tray away, because when this hatch comes down it's going to clash with it otherwise. You can see there's a little recess here, so we get a finger in, pull it down, and it opens up. The printer will then realise that that door is open, and hopefully you can see brings across the cartridge cradle with your two ink cartridges. Now, on this particular machine, the colour is on the left, the black is on the right. There is a little sticker down here which you can't quite see, which shows you that anyway. But you just get in, feel where the edge of the cartridge is, and you hear a nice click when it pulls down. Now, take it out. Okay. Get your replacement cartridge in. And you slide it in at an angle so you can feel it's right at the back, and click it up into position. And again, you can hear that nice solid click when it's in place. You can't have it dangling around loose in there, or you're gonna cause yourself problems. So, with that done, we lift this back up, and it'll take a second for your printer to read the cartridge. Make sure it's 100% happy. And that's all there is to it, really. If there is any problems with recognising the cartridge, your printer will tell your computer. There'll be messages. Canon printers are very good at letting you know when there's an issue. And hopefully now you're up and running again. Obviously the process is the same for the black, it's just the one on the right hand side. But thank you for watching. If you found this useful, please do give us a like. If there's anything else you'd like to know, let us know in the comments. And I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.